Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. Back with another video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So today, I'm in the shop. It is cold outside, snowing. Even though I'm in my suite and it's a little warmer in here, I've been cutting with my hoodie on today. So I've been feeling good. Either way. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the video. So we got a quick review today of the Stylecraft and 360Jeezy clipper. Shout out to Stylecraft. They sent it to me a little bit ago. I do think it's, as of now, it is on the website, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I'll put it in the video. But I know it was on pre-order. I pre-ordered it from the Barber plug. That was the first website that I seen posted it. So I did jump on it, get it from there. Again, same thing I did with the Babyliss clipper. So when that does come in, I'll probably just do a giveaway of that, unless this is something that I want to have on my station for the long haul. But either way, I did an unboxing. This clipper, again, 360Jeezy Stylecraft. This is $2.99 on the website. When I did the review, when I did the unboxing, and when I posted it on Instagram, of course, a lot of people in the comments saying it's the MRD clipper, which cool. So I went to AliExpress or Alibaba, whatever, to try to get one, but I couldn't find one cheaper than what they selling it for. So if y'all could send me a link, hit me up on Instagram, because I did want to compare, because I did see it on there. So I did want to compare to see what they did different to it. I know a lot of times, whether a company actually do it or not, they say that it's different in internals and this and that. So I did want to find one cheaper so I could compare, but I couldn't find one on the website. At least not where I was looking. Maybe I didn't look deep enough. And I know, like, especially if you get in bulk orders, you can get them cheaper, whatever, right? But all in all, this is the Stylecraft 360Jeezy clipper. It has 3 hours of cordless runtime. It says 3 hours of runtime. Let me go through it. It's got, first, it do come with the double magnetic guards. I do like that, since this is somewhat of an influencer clipper, it is color coordinated to the, I guess, I don't know if he picked the color or not, but it seemed like it's more custom rather than just having the black guards come with it. So you do get the double magnetic guards. You do get the charging stand that also comes with it. Nice little charging stand here that I got sitting on my station. Hair flying everywhere. Like I said, 3 hours of runtime. It comes with the Echo blade. It is a click lever. Comes with the screwdriver. It is a metal edition. It say metal edition on the front. I mean on the back. And I do like that the boxing from Stylecraft is a little different. Usually they have like the same, like the magnetic flap. I do like that they did give it a different look. You open it up. They got the foam insert here, so the clipper was here. Then you take that off. Shout out to 360Jeezy. Then you take that off. The stuff was under there, but nonetheless, I'm just going through this, trying to figure out. Boom. Either way, it does have the metal housing. This is the thing about Stylecraft. Sometimes on the packaging, you'll see here it say 4 hours of runtime. On the back right here, it say 3 hours of runtime. And then I seen somewhere else where it was like 2.5 hours of runtime. You get what I'm saying? So you get 3 hours of runtime, 2 hours to recharge, which is cool. So as far as the battery life of the clipper, I know you got the charging stand, you got the charging dock, so you can turn around and just set it on a charging dock, right? I don't feel like I got the 4 hours, the full 3 hours of runtime. I feel like maybe I got 2 hours of runtime if I didn't put it on the charger, and like if I gave it that time to actually fully completely die, right? I felt like it didn't really stay charged. Now that just could be mine. I'm not for sure, but I am saying that with me using it, if I didn't set it on the charger, it didn't feel like I get that full three hours of runtime, right? So this is the machine. Click lever. All right. Again, metal body. With the design, I kind of would have put more. If you putting this on the side for a grip, I would have put more rubber. I don't know, maybe a wider plate around there, because you don't really get the feel of that rubber grip here. It seems like it's there for a grip, but it's not really. You're not really gripping it. You get what I'm saying? Pause. But that is the design. Vector motor, 11,500 RPM. Again, click lever, echo blade. This is the sound. Not a loud clipper. It's not loud at all to me. You do also get that metal part. I mean that magnetic part there where you can get in there and clean. It does come with the echo blade. Me personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the echo blade. I know a lot of people, they like, oh, you get the echo blade, you can hear the crunch. Sometimes it's cool, but it seems like, I mean, it's cool. I don't really need that loud of a crunch. You get what I'm saying? Like, it seems like everybody's excited, so you can, because you do hear that, and you can hear it. But for me, sometimes, I don't know if it's the blade, maybe it's the settings that I had, but this blade kind of gets caught a lot. Like, in my experience, like going through, like if I'm going through regular hair, it's not a problem. And it does have that vector motor where it does ramp up if it get too thick. But sometimes if I'm going through thick hair, it will tug. You know what I'm saying? And I don't really have that problem with the shorty. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm using a regular vapor blade or their fade blade, I don't have that problem. But it seems like, I think I used the crunch blade on, I think it was the Saber 2 clipper, and it had the same experience. So every time I have used this blade, it has seemed to kind of just snag on her once it get too thick, right? I do like the weight of the clipper. It is a smaller clipper. For a while there, the Instincts was my favorite clipper. I do like the small version of it. I've been using the Instinct X now, though. That's like my go-to. You know what I'm saying? I've been using the Instinct X. So maybe I should have put a vapor blade on here to kind of give it a feel. Maybe that changed how it cut, how it performed. It wasn't a bad clipper. Like when I'm going against the grain, when I'm fading, I had no problems with fading. Going through her, I had no problems going through her. Like I said, unless the hair was a little too thick, then it seemed like it stalled at times. You know what I'm saying? So I wasn't the biggest fan of that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe if I would have put a different clipper on there, it would have changed that. Again, 3 hours of runtime, 2 hours of 2 hours of charge time to get that full 3 hours of runtime. And again, with the battery on my end, I didn't really get that full 3 hours. Now, once I started putting it on the charger, of course, I had no problems with using it, so that was cool. But yeah, like the experiences with this clipper wasn't bad. It wasn't the best either, right? So the main question that I like to ask when I am talking about a clipper, reviewing or whatever, when I'm talking about something, it is the price worth it, right? I don't think this is worth $299, right? And I know, like I said, I couldn't find it no cheaper anywhere else. Like I know people were saying you can, like I said, you can find it here, the knockoff brand or the real version, whatever you want to call it. I couldn't find it no cheaper. So they probably have to charge that to make something back, you know, even though they bulk order, whatever. Is this worth the $299? This, I would say no, right? Not when they do have the Instinct X and they do have the Shorty. So the only difference is with the Shorty is the thickness of it. So I do like the feel of this. The body of it is good and it's better than this, but this cuts better for me. And that's just my opinion. I'm not saying this is not worth a try. I just don't feel like it's worth $300, right? If you can get the Instinct X, like let's just say you are in a position to buy a new clipper and you want a new clipper. If you are looking to buy from Stylecraft, I would just say get the Instinct X. That's been my go-to clipper for a while. It's been holding up. The only problem is their paint job on it, but other than that, it's been holding up and it's been doing good for me. As far as the guards with this, I talk about them guards all the time. I did actually use it with this clipper though, and it seemed like, I don't know if they did something different with them, but it do feel like it fits this clipper better. Maybe it's the blade, maybe whatever, but it feels like when you got it's like a perfect combination though. You know what I'm saying? I'm just not the biggest fan of their these premium tight guards. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I always go back to Wahl guards. They got the best guards for me. Yeah, so that's the 360Jeezy clipper, Stylecraft. Shout out to 360Jeezy. Now, I don't know what goes into the connection of the clippers. So shout out to the teamwork between Stylecraft and 360Jeezy. I'm pretty sure these are gonna sell just fine. I'm not saying they not good, but they got better for cheaper. You know what I'm saying? So this, you know, I'm gonna have a giveaway with the other one once it come in. That's what I'm gonna do. So if you do want to try it, when that video come out, we're gonna have a giveaway. I'll let you know. Maybe I do too, because I'm probably just gonna put this in the garage somewhere. Maybe I sell it. I'm gonna use it for a little bit longer. Just maybe my mind will change on it. I've been using it maybe close to a month now, something like that. Maybe a little bit less. But I'm gonna use it for a little bit longer. Maybe my mind will change on it fully. But like I said, the 300 I don't think is fully worth. They do have the USB-C. Then the charging down here at the bottom for the clipper. So yeah, it's not bad, just not worth that pricing when you have other clippers better for a cheaper price. And I'm the biggest one of saying, if you're gonna, I mean, you're gonna charge what you're gonna charge, whether you buy it or not. That's up to you. I mean, I done bought a lot of stupid shit, expensive, whatever. But that's my opinion. I'm pretty sure. Please watch other people talk about it. Maybe they have different, better experiences. Like I said, it wasn't bad. It just wasn't the best. And yeah. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we will be back with another review, tutorial, unboxing, or something. Also, if you are a music type of person, you listen to music, you like to talk about music, follow the podcast down below. I'll leave the link to my podcast. Me and a buddy of mine been doing for about a year now. Thanks to the Kendrick and Drake beef. That's what partially started it all. All right. Peace.